I'm Linda with Eco Peace Vision, and I want to encourage this kind of ecological development that when we're talking of saving the South American rainforest, this is something we can work for, even pray for, and then do something similar around the world, starting with the United States. And that is it's called checkerboard development. So the idea is if you live in 1 acre, for example, or 1 unit, let's just say in the rainforest, it will be safer to have 1 acre because there's such a density of little creatures there. Like they've done a study in Panama before, and it was like 6,000 arthropods, maybe in 1 acre. We're talking different species of arthropods. So there's birds, there's all kinds of things. So the idea is if you develop one, live in it, farm on it, then you leave the 5 surrounding units or acres around that unit that you're on. So that will help protect the species. Well, we also need our oxygen. So now in the United States, we've taken down so many trees all over the country. So now we talk about restoration in this country, and anywhere there is the original land, if anybody is going to encroach on it, they could do the same kind of thing. You're 1 acre and keep the surrounding acres. So thanks for listening. That's called checkerboard development. Here's a picture of the Amazon rainforest, and Brazil goes down that way. This is also from Wikipedia. It starts 1984. Look at the bottom. This is the destruction of the rainforest from 1984 to 2018, mostly on the Brazil side. This is the illegal logging going on in Brazil. So I'm going to show you this chart, and you can see footnote 63 on Wikipedia, Forest Pulse, the latest on the world's forest, June 2023, from the World Resource Institute. And we can see Brazil has by far the most destruction, by like a magnitude of 5 times more than Congo, Bolivia, Indonesia, Peru, Colombia, Cameroon, Laos, and Malaysia. We can see on this chart how many million hectares a year in 2021 through 2023. Brazil in 2021 had 1.5 million hectares cleared, primarily old growth forest. Okay, and then 2022 it was down, it was actually up to almost 1.75 or more million hectares were cleared in Brazil, and in 2023 it went down to a little under 1.2 million hectares. Okay, anyway, the point is we really need to pray about this and do what we can to encourage at least checkerboard development, and that way people will be protecting the species. So at the Panama study, researchers looked at 1 acre of a park in Panama, and they counted 6,000 arthropod species. So arthropod means they have feet. So here's some examples. That many species moved through 1 acre. So a lot of species. Here's a map of the uncontacted tribes around the start of the 21st century. See how many in Brazil. There's also quite a few uncontacted tribes in West Papua New Guinea, and they've got some question marks in middle of Africa. And we don't want to forget about trying to protect all the plant species.